Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate chip cookies stuffed with Nutella. First we need to make the balls of Nutella which are going to go inside the cookies. Scoop out a teaspoon of Nutella from the jar and using the back of another teaspoon, scrape this off onto a plate. You can use the spoons to swirl these into nicer circles. Put the plate of Nutella balls in the freezer for at least 1 hour. Next up, we need to make the cookie dough. Start by creaming together the butter and sugar until it is mostly smooth. It doesn't matter if there are a few lumps because we can sort that out as we go along. Make sure you're using real butter and not a spread such as stork. Stork can cause the cookies to spread far too much when they're baking. They'll still taste great, but they won't be as thick. Now you can add your egg and vanilla. Make sure this is completely combined before you add in your dry ingredients using a sieve. Once your dry ingredients are combined, you will have a thick dough. Now you can add your chopped chocolate or chocolate chips, making sure that you disperse them evenly throughout the dough. If you're using chopped chocolate, make sure you've cut them quite small, around the size of a regular chocolate chip. Grab handfuls of dough around the size of 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. Roll this into a ball and then flatten it out with your hand. Grabbing your Nutella from the freezer, place a ball of Nutella in the middle of the dough. You can then wrap the dough around the ball to seal it in. These need to go in the fridge for at least half an hour before you bake them to help them hold their shape. You can also roll them into more of a cylinder shape, which gives them more height when they're baking. Make sure you leave enough space between the cookies when they go into the oven, as they're going to spread slightly. Once you know how far they spread, you can put more on the tray. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 9 minutes. Once they're cooked, take them out of the oven and let them cool down on the tray. Don't eat them straight out of the oven as they're going to be boiling hot on the inside with the melted Nutella. If you want them slightly crunchier on the outside, you can leave them in for 10 minutes, but no longer than that as they're going to burn. As you can see, the Nutella is just as gooey once they've cooled down slightly. And here they are a day later, proving the Nutella is still soft and gooey. If you try out this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on your notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.